Hey, I got something today for CreatorCon and I gotta show you. So first things first, let's wipe this thing down. I got a package. Package. We got toys. Good. Let's take this and open her up. What did we get? There. Finally. Okay. Remote breakout guidelines. Look at this. They gave us like a little guidebook of how to set this up so we can be, wow, that is some pretty fine print. It's the printout of a PowerPoint. And they had a small print on the PowerPoint. But this is all about good lighting, good sound. And the first thing I see in here is, some AirPods Pro. Check it out. I don't have an Apple phone, but I'm sure they'll work. These are going to be our microphones and our headphones that we'll use on a Zoom call. So you don't have wires in the shot and there's not a big boom mic. I can deal with that. And some tissue paper. Ooh, that'll be good for birthday gifts later. I know I'm not wiping down this stuff as I'm pulling it out. Shame on me, let me get another wipe. Next up on The Price is Right, more tissue paper. We'll put that in somebody's birthday box. And then 2 boxes in here, some bubble wrap. The first is a Logitech 4K webcam. Now they told me that Zoom does not support 4K, but they were out of the regular HD cams. So, hey, free upgrade. Right? That's the Netgear. And then finally, I'm curious about this one. We'll get these all set up and maybe I'll give you a little test video. I'm curious about this one. This is supposed to be a couple of LED panel lights. Yeah, these would be nice. Let's see if I can hang on to these. They've got some gel filters so you can put in either a white filter. Now the idea is, on camera, this would be lighting each side so you avoid shadows, light from above, that's all in that slide deck because I already saw it. And they are dimmable, so we've got controls on there as well. So who knows, maybe we'll see that on a future episode or the effects of it on a future episode of Tech Now. So we got lights, we got camera, we got action, we got audio. I think that's all we're gonna need. All right, CreatorCon's coming up very soon. I'm excited. This gets me more excited, and I will talk to you again real soon. Thanks. Bye. I looked in the bottom of the box. There's some options. I should have looked. Okay, they've got a selfie stick kind of thing. All right, that'll be helpful. And then we also have a tripod where the feet want to fall off or something. But that, plus that, because I was originally thinking about using one of my mic stands, because I have various mic stand connectors or mounts in the studio, but this will work even better. I knew it couldn't be that half-baked, because not everybody's going to have mic stands in their house. All right, let's put the little rubber feet back on this. The little rubber feet aren't staying on that well. But if we do this and this, and then we do this, screw that on there, that in there, and adjust accordingly. Instant light stand, and I'm hoping there's an AC adapter in here. I do not see an AC adapter, so I will have to figure out how to get that 5 volts in there, but I do have options for that as well. So, good stuff. A lot of fun.
And as promised, everything's all set up and running. Of course, we've got the camera recording this beautiful picture. Lots of settings on this camera, different camera angles, 90 degrees, 78, 65, wide and normal. Lots of great stuff you can tweak on that. We've got the lights set up, the LED panels. This is the dimmest setting. If I go brighter, watch this. I'm gonna bring them both up and it's blinding and it washes out. I can't even adjust the camera to fix that. So it's, bring them both down. That's the minimum setting and I think it gives a nice color. And the AirPods, of course, yes. The AirPods are in, charged up, paired with the laptop. Everything is good. So all components are ready. This is pretty much what you're going to see on CreatorCon. Well, with the bow tie and everything else. This was unboxing clothing, I guess. All right, I will talk to you again soon. Looking forward to CreatorCon. Go over to knowledge.servicenow.com if you're interested in signing up for the conference. It's free, it's all digital, and we are working our backsides off to bring you an awesome digital conference this year. Take care. Bye.